The teacher-student dynamic, it's so tender and it's so loving. It just invites the kids to learn. Instead of like having some type of sheet of paper, it's like, no, they see a worm, they touch a worm, they feel it, they see the soil, they're seeing, not only is it just the soil, but it inspires curiosity, right? It inspires this curiosity that I was seeing with our students. And they're so engaged,
They're also environmental stewards of the land, and that things that they do have a direct impact on the earth, and they become vigilant stewards. We are stewards of the land, and we do our best job to help in any way we can. For them, it might just be picking up trash on the way to lunch.
The classes are aligned with the grade level specific content standards. So when the kids go outdoors and they experience these lessons, the lessons are supporting what they're working on or learning in the classroom. And so the teachers can see the kids' enthusiasm and excitement as they're working in the garden, observing earthworms, experiencing life cycles, tasting, even cooking and preparing food. With increased funding, we could expand our reach and we could offer these programs to more than 30 schools in Santa Ana Unified School District, and also give the teachers and the staff all the additional classes that they would like, which would in turn really deepen that connection to the garden, and it would be a really beautiful thing if we could do that. They want to be in Earthroots classes. They want to put their hands in the soil. They're having fun. And so this cultivation of connection is so essential in order to help these students grow into lifelong stewards.